Textile dyeing is a complex yet essential process that influences fabric's aesthetics and functionality. Understanding the textile dyeing process and its impact on cost, lead time and sustainability can help you to make smarter product decisions. This course provides an in-depth understanding of textile dyeing, covering fibre types, dye classes, preparation methods and quality assessments. Created by Dr. Muriel Regout, an expert in textile coloration and finishing at the School of Design, University of Leeds, this course blends theory with practical applications, perfect for those in the textile industry looking to learn more about the dyeing process. Throughout this course, you'll learn to understand the principles and methods of dyeing, assess the impact of dyeing on cost, lead time, quality and sustainability, evaluate textile processing steps to optimise efficiency and achieve high-quality results. Our online courses are flexible and self-paced, allowing you to learn independently, anytime, anywhere. This is PACE, the Professional Academy for Creative Enterprise.